What's good everyone, my name is bboy Intact and today I want to show you how to go from a simple to the more advanced variations and how it changes the whole picture of your movement. The first example will be based on the very simple and basic combination which consists of 6-step and 3-step. We have 6-step, we have 3-step, we have 6-step. I'm not gonna change order of the steps. I will keep 6-step as the first part of the combination and 3-step as the second part of the combination. But what I'm going to do is upgrade this basic classic movement to the more advanced variations of these footworks. And let's see what we're gonna have. Advanced variation of the 6-step gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And advanced variation of the 3-step gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All we have to do right now is to put these upgraded advanced variations into the same combination that we already have, and here is our result. Among other benefits, having a good quality advanced variations of basic steps are that you can use them as transitions and to make the transition between one combination to another more interesting, more spontaneous, more different than other people do, or you can use these variations as transitions between levels. Here are a couple examples how you can use it. As you already might understood, there are no limits. The only limit of amount of variations and the creativity within these variations is your mind, the way of your thinking, the way how you approach to the practicing, your vision. So keep drilling, keep working, keep creating, create and build new patterns, new variations, and put them into your vocabulary, because this is how you grow, this is how you become different, and this is how you increase your level. Thank you.